G'day, I'm Bart, and in this video, I'm going to help you decide which cassette is right for your GottaGo toilet. The GottaGo toilet can be used in 3 different ways: as a bag toilet, a composting toilet, and a chemical toilet. And that's thanks to these 2 cassettes over here. The Eco cassette, which is used for bag or composting, gets up to 23 uses, and the chemical cassette gets up to 19 uses. Both cassettes are fully sealed and airtight when not in use, which means they trap the bad smell inside. Now let's do a deeper dive into the features of the individual cassettes, starting with the Eco cassette. The Eco cassette can be used as a bag or composting toilet. It has a removable lid, which you take off by undoing these clips. And if you want to use it as a composting toilet, simply line the base of the cassette with compost and then keep topping it up every time you use the toilet. To use it as a bag toilet, get a bag, remove the blue liner, and insert your bag with the closed end through the blue liner, like this, and line the open end around the edges of the liner. Pull it through and place it in the groove in the cassette. Next, reinstall your lid and clip it on. When the cassette is not in use, it is fully sealed and airtight so the bad smells stay inside. Now let's install it inside the GottaGo. Let's pull on this latch and place your cassette over here. Now let's close the toilet, and when you're ready to use the toilet, open up the lid, pull out the blue tab here, and you can see the opening is ready and you can go to the toilet. When you're done, close the compartment. And when you're finally ready to dispose of the waste inside your Eco cassette, simply pull this latch, take out the cassette, close the toilet, undo the clips and remove the top lid. Now grab your bag towards the top, spin your lid a few times, detach the liner from the lid, remove the liner, and now you can dispose of your waste. Make sure that you follow local regulations and best practices when you're disposing of your waste. If you're unsure, speak to your local park ranger or give your local council a call. All right, let's speak about the chemical cassette. The chemical cassette is a fully sealed system, and unlike the Eco cassette, it doesn't have a removable lid. The waste is disposed through this tube here, which has a solid cap when a toilet is in use and which you remove when you want to dispose of your waste. And it also has a vent switch here. Now, it's super important that you open up this vent switch for a smooth disposal of your waste, and that you keep it closed when you're using the toilet. The chemical cassette works similar to your traditional chemical toilets. The main difference is that we don't have a traditional flush system, and we did that to conserve space and water inside your cassette. When you're ready to use the toilet, simply open up this latch and install your cassette. Make sure that your blue pull tab is on the same side as the liquid level indicator, because the liquid level indicator works with the chemical cassette. As your cassette fills up, the indicator will also begin to rise. Now, close your toilet. When you're ready to go to the toilet, open up the lid and open up this latch. And we have an opening now for our waste. And when you're done, just close this latch. Now, when you're ready to dispose of your waste, just open up this latch and remove your cassette. Remove this solid cap and open up this air vent. Now, when you are disposing of your waste, make sure that you're following your local regulations and best practices. And if you're unsure, call your local park ranger or speak to your local council. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you now have a solid idea of how to use your GottaGo toilet. To keep up to date with our accessories or other products, go to our website.